There's nothing like a good tactical belt for concealed carry. Let's get into the We the People Holsters Tactical Gun Belt with Teflon Buckle. Let's go. At We the People Holsters provide customers with access to high quality and exceptional crafted holsters appropriate for a full range of purposes. In addition to a comprehensive line of tried and true holsters, We the People also provides custom designed holsters from only the most talented and experienced McCashmans the industry has ever known, with their product line recognized for its durability, practicality, and functionality. The Tactical Gun Belt with Teflon Buckle was custom designed to be the perfect belt for everyday carry. It's the perfect combination of toughness and comfort. Constructed with the finest materials, all these products are made right here in the US, so you know quality is guaranteed. The belt design is engineered to support any size firearm along with any ECD item you carry. It also includes a mag carrier for extra ammo when you need it. The rigidity and rudeness of this belt is unmatched. Paired with an exclusive Teflon buckle and backed by a lifetime guarantee, you can count on the belt never sagging or disrupting your draw in times of emergency. That's the Tactical Gun Belt with Teflon buckle. Now let's have some fun and watch me draw.